Today, we're going to talk about one of Apple's newest creations, the iPhone 17 series. This fresh lineup has brought some of the most noticeable changes so far, with models like the iPhone 17, iPhone 17 Pro, iPhone 17 Pro Max, and, for the very first time, the ultra-slim iPhone Air. The Air stands out as Apple's thinnest and most distinct design ever, showing just how far they're willing to push boundaries. But let's shift our attention to the iPhone 17 Pro, which has created a lot of buzz, thanks to its brand new color option, Cosmic Orange. This is a shade we've never seen from Apple before, and it immediately gives the phone a unique identity. Up close, the color feels refined and elegant, while from a distance, it's bold and unmistakable. In my view, this was a brilliant marketing strategy by Apple, as it ensures the phone doesn't just blend in, it makes a statement. The build is crafted from premium aluminum, giving the device a sleek, polished finish, while keeping it strong and durable. And just like the rest of the lineup, it supports wireless charging. The wireless charging spot has moved toward the bottom of phone. On the camera side, Apple has added a clever feature that takes photography a step further. You no longer need to tilt the phone for wide shots. Simply keep it upright. Overall, the iPhone 17 Pro in Cosmic Orange is more than just a smartphone. It's Apple's way of blending elegance, power, and standout design in one device.